I don't know if you saw this one floating around, but I actually saw Rogan posted this on Instagram. A cephalopod has passed a cognitive test designed for human children.
Oh.
Yeah, that's that thing there. Cephalopod, which is, what is the actual, is a cuttlefish, I believe. Anyway, apparently these things, they're smarter than you thought. They were actually capable of delaying gratification, which is a thing that is usually reserved for intelligent creatures, specifically the Stanford marshmallow experiment, also known as the marshmallow test. This is where a child is placed in a room with a marshmallow. They are told that if they can manage to not eat the marshmallow for 15 minutes, they get a second marshmallow and they'd be allowed to eat both. Well, a child can figure that out. I'll take both marshmallows.
I still can't figure that out.
No problem.
It's very difficult.
And so they started to test other animals with similar tests. Now, obviously, with other creatures, you can't explain this. You can't say to them, yo, wait 15 minutes. Mm-hmm. So you need to figure out other ways through symbols and doors and things. But they are able to do some pretty cool studies. And they've done it with chimpanzees. Of course, chimpanzees can figure it out. Dogs actually hit and miss.
Yeah.
Dogs hit and miss. I know you like your dog. I know most guys' dog on a lap over there. I know you guys like your dogs, but dogs hit and miss. Sometimes they just want to take that treat. They don't care about you.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Anyway, this cuttlefish figured it out. It was able to delay gratification by not eating crab meat in the morning if they were able to learn that dinner would be something better like shrimp. How about that? What do you think about?
Impressive.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
So here's the way it worked. They designed a test for 6 common cuttlefish. They were placed in a special tank with 2 enclosed chambers, had transparent doors so the animal could see inside. In the chambers were snacks, a less preferred piece of raw king prawn in one and a much more enticing live grass shrimp in the other. Imagine just sitting there, Will, all day. You see the 2 options. Constantly staring back at you. The doors also had symbols on them that the cuttlefish had been trained to recognize. A circle meant the door would open straight away. A triangle meant the door would open after a time interval between 10 and 130 seconds. And a square, used only in the control condition, meant the door stayed closed indefinitely. So you can understand, that's the setup. Cuttlefish in the present study were all able to wait for the better reward and tolerated delays for up to 50 to 130 seconds, which is comparable to what we see in large-brained vertebrates such as chimpanzees, crows, and parrots.
Wow.
So
100% success rate.
100% success rate,
6 out of
50
6.
to 130 seconds. Not nothing. They got the food sitting there. They can go eat it. They're hungry. But no. I saw last time. I know how these symbols work. I'm looking for the live shrimp because I'm a cuttlefish.
I'm a smart cuttlefish.
I mean, I'm probably looking for the shrimp anyway, and I'm not even a cuttlefish. So same story for our cognitive abilities. But what does this showcase, man? You don't know where the intelligence is at. It's incredible. This planet, this universe. You don't know what's going on, man.
Shout out Earth.